Hi everybody, welcome to Pixel Plus Studios. Want to make your photos pop by removing the background? Today, in just a quick few easy steps, I'll show you how to do so in Photoshop using their quick selection tool. This is perfect for beginners or those who just need a refresher on the topic. All you need is Photoshop and an image of your choice. Since we're going to be targeting beginners, we will be avoiding shortcut keys for now. Let's get started. Now that you have Photoshop open, you want to go to File, then Open. After that, select and open the photo that you want to edit. Now that the file is open and you have your subject, the first thing you want to do is click on the quick selection tool located on the toolbar. With the tool selected, you can change the brush size by clicking the circle icon and choosing which size you want. After that, brush over your subject, making sure that all of it is selected. To get finer results, it's better to make your brush smaller. Zooming in is also useful to get the most accuracy, as you may miss some important selections. If you have some things that are selected and you don't want them, then choose the subtracting brush. For me, I didn't have to do that. Now that we have a better understanding on selecting the object that you want to isolate, we are now going to be removing the old background and adding a new background in the color of your choice. Now let's see how to do that. Now that you have your desired selection, let's move on to masking. Click on the button you see here on the bottom that looks like a rectangle with a hole in it. Then drag a new layer called BG, and you want to make sure that you drag it below your mask layer. Now, find the Fill button in the Edit menu bar. For the sake of exaggeration, I'll change the content color to green. After you're happy with your new composite, let's do some final adjustments to your work to make it look a little bit nicer and a little bit more practical. Once that's done, click back to the mask layer and go to the Image, Adjustments, then to Brightness and Contrast. From there, you can play around with the different brightnesses and contrasts to your liking. If you want to move your subject, click on the Move tool on the toolbar to do so. You can also flip your subject in any direction with these two buttons on the right here. Once you're done and happy with the result, head back over to the file, click Export, and then Export As. On this page, you can mess around with the different formatting options as you see here. You can change the quality of the file, change the image width and height, the scaling of your image, but in this case, I'll be choosing 25%. When you're done, name it whatever fits your project, but for this tutorial specifically, I'm going to be calling it Remove BG and hit Export. And that's it. You've removed the background in Photoshop using their quick selection tool. This trick is great for photo edits, social media graphics, or just on some of your own personal fun projects. Try it with your own images and then let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free. And we'll see you guys next time.